سورة الليل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والليل إذا يغشى.
By the night as it envelops.
والنهار إذا تجلى.
By the day as it appears in brightness.
وما خلق الذكر والأنثى.
By him who created male and female.
إن سعيكم لشتى.
Certainly your efforts and deeds are diverse.
فأما من أعطى واتقى.
As for him who gives and keeps his duty to Allah and fears him.
وصدق بالحسنى.
And believes in the best.
فسنيسره لليسرى.
We will make smooth for him the path of ease.
وأما من بخل واستغنى.
But he who is a greedy miser and thinks himself self-sufficient.
وكذب بالحسنى.
And denies the best.
فسنيسره للعسرى.
We will make smooth for him the path for evil.
وما يغني عنه ماله إذا تردى.
And what will his wealth avail him when he goes down in destruction?
إن علينا للهدى.
Truly on us is to give guidance.
وإن لنا للآخرة والأولى.
And truly to us belong the last and the first.
فأنذرتكم نارا تلظى.
Therefore I have warned you of a blazing fire.
لا يصلاها إلا الأشقى.
None shall enter it save the most wretched.
الذي كذب وتولى.
Who denies and turns away.
وسيجنبها الأتقى.
And the pious will be far removed from it.
الذي يؤتي ماله يتزكى.
He who spends his wealth for increase in self-purification.
وما لأحد عنده من نعمة تجزى.
And who has in mind no favor from anyone to be paid back.
إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى.
Except to seek the countenance of his Lord the Most High.
ولسوف يرضى.
He surely will be pleased.